GUZAN in the red. And right there, a drag, and gonna be 2 on the exposure for ZYuMaşBek UULU. And working for the turn, not gonna get it. Back up they go. 4:54 remaining in the bout, 1:54 in the period. .90 seconds remain in the first period. They'll stop it for passivity. Warning GUZAN. And 6-0 now the lead for ZYuMaşBek UULU as he's got a near side cradle locked up, taking him through for 2 on exposure. He continues to roll him through. And that should be 10-0. Fall confirmed. ZYuMaşBek UULU with the touche.